Hello, members of the humanitarian technology communities. We have an exciting lineup of speakers and exhibitors at the 2022 IEEE Global Humanitarian Technology Conference, GHTC, that will take place at Santa Clara University from September 8th to 11th. This flagship conference features keynote speakers sharing the best practices in advancing technology for the benefit of humanity, such as lessons learned from connecting the unconnected, innovations that improve societal outcomes, and the delivery of emergency PPE by collaborations with the makers. Here are some of the keynote speakers. Curtis Heimerl, Assistant Professor from the University of Washington. Janice Z. Dankis, Vice President of Quality and Technologic, Distinguished Technologist. From Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Sampath Veeraraghavan, Global Chair from IEEE Humanitarian Activities Committee. A new addition this year is the West Coast IEEE Move Truck by IEEE Region 6 Director, Tim Lee. The Move Truck is a mobile data center that provides short-term communications, computing, and power solutions to assist victims of natural disasters. And an introduction to new-use energy trailer with solar panel by CEO Paul Shumatalaka. His company provided solar power for refrigeration during Hurricane Ida and the Kentucky tornadoes in 2021. Both the Move Truck and the trailer will be on display at Santa Clara University during GHTC. In addition, there will be workshops on machine learning for social good, quality education by Infineon, and diversity in the workplace by IEEE Consultants, Network of Silicon Valley. And there will be an undergraduate student poster competition with cash prizes. Finally, we would like to thank all the presenters, speakers, and supporting organizations including Santa Clara University, Infineon, HP Enterprise, IEEE Region 6, Seattle Section, SSIT, Santa Clara Valley Section and its Consultants Network, Communications Society, Computer Society. Take advantage of the $100 early registration discount before August 12. We are looking forward to seeing you in September. Please visit www.IEEEGHTC.org or scan the QR code for details.